Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see the flow control instructions in MATLAB. The ability to control flow of operations based on predefined instructions is heart of your programming language. MATLAB treats logic 1 or non-zero number as true and logical or numeric value 0 as false. In MATLAB, we have various flow control instructions like if, for, switch, break, continue. These are the flow control instructions in MATLAB. Now we'll see if, else and else if instructions in MATLAB. So in if instruction, the syntax is if expression statements end. So in if a particular expression is compared, if the condition is true, the statement is executed and the program ends. If the expression is false, the instruction next line to the end will be executed. For example, we have to write the program to check the number is a positive number. So let us take x equal to 2. Suppose if x is greater than 0, then display it's a positive number. So if whenever the condition is true, that is the value is greater than or equal to 0, it will display you a positive number. Let's run this program. Now see. So as we have entered the value 2, so it is a positive number. If I enter the value -2, nothing will be written on your command window because we have written no instructions after end. So this was your simple program for if instruction. If this particular instruction is true, the message will be displayed. Otherwise, it will run the instruction after the end. Since we have written no instruction after the end, so nothing will be displayed on your screen. Now next is if else instruction. So if in case of if else instruction, if expression 1 statement 1 else statement 2 end. So if a particular expression is true, the statement 1 is executed, otherwise statement 2 is executed and your program ends, your loop ends. So let us see the program. Suppose you have to check whether the number is positive or negative. So if your value is greater than equal to 0, display the message positive number, else display a negative number. Here we have taken the value -2. Let's run the program and see what comes in a command prompt. Answer, it's a negative number. So x equal to -2, if condition will not be executed since the result of this is false. So else will be executed and display you negative number. The message will be displayed as negative number. Let us change the value of x to simple 2, that is positive number. Let's see, run the program and see what the result come. It will display positive number. Since x is greater than 2, if condition will be satisfy and display the message positive number and it will come out of the loop. So this was the program for if else. Now next instruction is if else. If else, the syntax is if expression 1 statement 1 else if expression 2 statement 2 else statement 3 and end. So in this case, if expression 1 is true, the statement 1 is executed. If the condition is false, it will go to else if expression. In this case, the expression is compared. If it is true, the statement 2 is executed. If the expression is false, it will go to else and execute statement 3 and the loop will end. Let's see the program for this in MATLAB. We have to write the program to check the number is positive number, negative number or 0. We have taken the value of x equal to 1. If x is equal to 0, display 0 number. If x is less than 0, display a negative number, else display positive number. So in this case, x equal to 1. So it will first compare with this. So it is false. It will go into your else if. Else if condition is also false, so it will go to else condition. Here it will similarly, here it will simple display positive number. Let's run the program. See, it has displayed positive number. Let's check the program again for taking x value equal to 0. Save and run your program and let's see what comes in command window. It's 0 number. Since the first if condition is satisfied, so x equal to 0. So first condition is satisfied and display the message 0 number and it terminates or come out of your loop. So this was your program and syntax for if, else if and else instruction in MATLAB.